Today, Mommy Pig is busy and has to go out. At home, Daddy Pig is with Peppa and George. It's lunchtime and they have a big idea.
Daddy, can we make something yummy?
How about strawberry jam sandwiches?
Yeah, I love strawberry jam.
Peppa, George, can you help Daddy wash the strawberries, please?
Yes, Daddy.
George eagerly rushes to clean the water, but he scrubs too fast.
George, careful, you made me wet. It's all clean now, Peppa.
Good job, George and Peppa. Ready for the next pot? Now we put the strawberries into the pan and stir gently.
I want to stir first.
All right, George, but do it slowly.
It's so fun, Daddy Pig.
George stirs quickly and jam splashes out.
George, you're making a mess. Let me try.
Careful, Peppa. The pan is hot.
Yes, Daddy.
The jam is finished. Now it's sandwich time.
Daddy, where's the bread?
Here it is on the table, nice and fresh.
They spread the jam on the slices and put the sandwiches together. Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George sit down and take a big bite.
It smells so good. Delicious.
Hey, cooking together makes food taste even better.
Just then, Mommy Pig comes back and sees the messy kitchen.
Oh my lord, what happened here?
We made strawberry jam sandwiches.
Well, I can see that. Let's clean up first. Then I'll have one too.
Everyone laughs, and that's the story of how Daddy Pig, Peppa, and George made their special strawberry jam sandwiches. Goodbye, kids. See you next week.